Hi there, welcome back to Lemon Crest. I hope you are doing well and keeping good health. Today we are going to see how to make most basic and simple dish, which is wheat bread or brown bread. You can prepare bread at home using 6 simple ingredients. For this we need 2 tablespoons sugar, half a cup of warm milk, yeast 1 teaspoon. Give it a gentle stir and let it ferment for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, adding 2 cups of wheat flour to the fermented milk and 1 egg to it. If you are a pure vegetarian, you can skip this step over here. Now we will be adding half teaspoon of salt, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, and mixing all the ingredients together. Once mixed well, knead the dough with hand on a flat surface. Kneading is the most important part of this process. This defines the softness of the bread. While kneading, make sure that dough is not too sticky or too tight. Once the dough is ready, it looks somewhat like this. Now we'll take the dough in a bowl, coat it with some vegetable oil to prevent it from drying, and we then cover and proof it for 2 to 3 hours. Dough will be ready when it doubles in its size. Sometimes you may not need to wait for 3 hours depending upon your room temperature. Here in our situation, dough got ready after 3 hours. Removing the wrap and giving it a punch, which is really optional. Now we will knead it one more time to make it even. Now we will roll it and put it in a baking pan. Don't forget to grease the pan before placing the dough into it. After placing the dough into the pan, cover and proof it again for half an hour and let it rise. Once it is doubled in size and crowny over the top, preheat the oven, place the bread dough into the oven, and we will bake it for 35 minutes in total at 180 degrees Celsius. After initial 20 minutes, wrap the top part of the bread with aluminum foil. Covering the top part with aluminum foil will cook the bread from inside and also give a bread golden brown texture over the top. After placing the aluminum foil, bake it again for 15 minutes. Our bread is done in 35 minutes in total. We will remove the bread from the mold and brush it with some butter on the top. This will give a nice glossy texture and let the bread to cool down completely before slicing it. This is an important part. Never slice the bread when it is hot. Now this is the best part of all the process, slicing it. When we slice it, the soft aroma from it is so appetizing. In fact, it is mind-blowing. Hope you all like this video. Please let us know your suggestions in the comment section and please do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in next video.